looking back the past 12 months, what are some of the things that you can share with us you guys have actually been involved in and implemented?
The one area that I'm focused the most on right now, hyper-focused, we can talk security-related items, the operational churn that's created by some of the acquisition and merger activity in the industry with our vendors. But what I'm really proud of and focused on is something that we're calling Colleague Advantage. And it's focused on two key touch points, guest touch points, arrival and departure experience. Challenge within the industry is your average front office person touches anywhere from 6 to 9 different applications on a daily basis, oftentimes more than one to do a simple guest transaction. So we've been focused on creating, think of it as a wrapper that sits on top of those 6 to 9 different applications, and it simplifies the experience. Color-coded, crisp screen, it highlights what's important. It brings to focus the action items and to help create conversation, really focused on unscripting. It's often said in our industry, our colleagues spend more time talking to a computer than talking to the guest. So our focus over the last 2 years has really been finding a way to unscript what has turned into a scripted engagement and turning a transaction more into a conversation and an interaction. We have several hotels currently using this new solution we've called Colleague Advantage, and we're doing several hundred check-ins a day on the new platform itself. And by the end of this year, early next year, we should be fully deployed with that solution.
You know, I think the challenge and in front of us, which we're excited about, is our systems are changing at a very rapid pace. And so as I think about what are the things that are challenging us and what we're working on, I describe it as flying the airplane and reconstructing it while in flight, right? And so and I think that's probably in our industry as a whole, right? We are all on
operating with the patient while they're still alive.
Yeah, and so you have to do that. And if you're in IT, that's invigorating, right? It's really nice to be able to work on new technologies, but the challenge is how do you bring the new in? At the same time, you have to maintain the old for a while, and then you want to retire the old. And it's this, how do you keep everyone energized about that and wanting to focus on the new, kind of that mid-range, and then the old at the same time?
We've made, we are making a transition actually to more DevOps and Agile programming for one, to speed time to market. We're actually launching a new website in October as well, so we've got a lot of new projects, a couple of top secret ones as well, but those will come out very soon.
Sure.
I think the transformation is probably the biggest though, because it helps us speed our delivery from a marketing perspective. We're primarily a marketing and IT company, so for us to be able to deliver software faster to our members, it's a win-win.